I was wrong about trading. I should have stick to only on one thing, and that are levels, but I unfortunately got into many rubbish things that are just time wasting and not gonna give anything. These indicators and these shitty strategies all are useless, only levels. Support, resistance, trend lines, that's it, these are the key to trading. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. Let's get straight to the point. And guys, do read this yellow text box, which says, only focus on levels, draw on higher timeframe first and then trade accordingly. Okay, so now coming to the daily timeframe, to get a more good understanding of the Bitcoin price. So now have a look at the cyan color box, that is in fact is a level for Bitcoin, where the price is currently stuck. And yes guys, in thumbnail of this video, the EMA ribbon indicator that you saw is also worthless, and no use, only levels come in play. These indicates also show results after the price action. So only trade on levels. Okay, so now focusing on the technical analysis. As the price is stuck in that cyan color level of mine. Well, the price tried to break it out, and then got a rejection. And if we see clearly, then we can notice there is a candle losing momentum scenario happening, which tends in a loss of bearish side, and indicates that the bulls are here to enter. It's just a basic candlestick psychology. Okay, so now switching to the Bitcoin, another analysis, and guys, I apologize for a slight mistake that I made. The Bitcoin parabolic curve support I was talking about for a few days was not accurate, but right now on live video I'm making a correction. Okay, if we zoom in now, we can clearly see that now the curve support is respecting the price perfectly. So the price came exact at the curve support, and then now showing losing momentum on the weekly timeframe E, with a bullish engulfing candle as well, which indicates bullish momentum upcoming. And yes guys, I was in a short position earlier but now I have majority of that closed, and right now I'm long on Bitcoin. And my suggestion will be that you also do your own analysis, and after that, if you will like closing your short trade, then do it precisely when the market goes in your favor, close partial trades at right moment, and then open long position when you find best opportunity. Well, this is not a financial advice, it's just what I did, and also do your own analysis. And guys, if you want to trade like me, then you can head over to my video's description. There you will find the link to the exchange where I trade crypto. Yes, it's Bybit. You can also create a free account on Bybit and also get free $30,000 Bybit deposit gift. Just create an account with the link in description. Once you click my link, you can find the exclusive gifts for yourself that you can get by creating an account with the link in description. Such as free shout out from me personally on a video, free $30,000 deposit gift, and many more benefits for yourself. So just create an account and get your welcome gifts today. Okay, so coming to the last analysis of this video. Here have a look at this big wick trend line that is acting as a strong support for Bitcoin. Okay, so after adjusting the trend line perfectly, we can notice that how the price is in an uptrend and is forming new higher highs and higher lows. And not only this, but the price did recently came down to form a new higher low, and then exactly from the white trend line got a reversal to the upside. Now there are chances that the price can go to the upside, not sure of forming new high, but definitely can go to the $31,000 level. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. And in next week's video, I have to upload an Ethereum analysis also. So do not forget this chart. As in the upcoming video, I have to do an Ethereum analysis as well. Okay, so till then, thanks for watching. And do not forget to create an account on Bybit with the link in description. And start your epic trading journey with me.